Do you constantly forget to send messages that you were supposed to send?
Yeah.
Do you constantly forget to send birthday messages to your friends and loved ones?
Yeah.
Do you want to have text messages send even while you're asleep?
Yeah.
Well, do we have the app for you? Hi, I'm Matt Angel.
And I'm Zoe Andsager.
And we made an app called Text Schedule. An app that allows you to schedule texts to send to certain people at certain times.
This means you can send whatever you want to whoever you want.
Whenever you want. Let's take a look. So the first thing the app does once it opens is it asks for permissions to send text messages. We'll allow that. You see here on our main screen we currently have 0 messages scheduled. So we're going to schedule a text message. We're going to put in our phone number. And we're going to put in the date. We're going to put in today's date. The 9th of December, 2018. We're going to schedule it for, let's say, 10:30 p.m. And we're going to send the message, "Hello World." And so we're going to click Save. And as you can see, now we have a message saved, number with the message "Hello World" to send on Sunday, December 9th at 10:30. We can schedule another one right here. And let's do this one on the 12th of December, 2019. We can send that at 5:45 p.m. and have a message. "Hello from the past." We can save that. And as you can see, that one also saves, and now we have 2 messages scheduled. And as you can see, we can add one more message and have this one a bit more recent than our previous message. So we'll have that 12/12 of 2018. And just 5:45 p.m. And we can send another message. And as you can see, it sorts it in, so the message that's going to be sending most recently goes to the top, and from there on down is messages that send further into the future.
When you're scheduling messages, you might accidentally click Save when you have it blank, and it'll tell you that your number is not a number. If you go ahead and fill that in with a number, for example, it'll tell you that your date is invalid. So it'll give you errors depending on which fields you haven't filled in. And once you go ahead and fill everything in with acceptable dates, then it will go ahead and allow you to save that message. It won't even allow you to save no message because you can't send a message that doesn't exist. And there we go, a message properly saved to send.
Don't worry if you make a mistake while writing your text. Simply click the button to delete it and try again.
As you can see here, we have a message scheduled to be sent at 10:30. So as soon as that sends, it's going to clear the screen and appear on the other phone.
So as you can see, the message sent directly on time. And we have the message saying "Hello World," and it was cleared from the history on the text schedule. And we have another message sent to send in 2019. For this project, we used a new API called SMS Manager in order to send our text messages. And we used new Android features such as the date class and timers. The date class in order to store when to send a text message, and timers to check twice a minute to see if any text messages are ready to send.
I worked on the user interface for this project. We have 2 layouts. You can see here the main layout where the texts are displayed, and you can click to schedule a new one. And then you have your schedule layout where you can input information, either cancel or save. I also worked on the main activity where it has a timer to refresh your list of texts, requests permission to send texts, and then also takes out the information when you try and save a message and sends it into a text message object.
text schedule has many different practical uses.
Never miss a birthday text by scheduling them years in advance.
Or use it to send text reminders directly to yourself or loved ones. And as you can see, all of our code has been successfully pushed to a repository on GitHub.
Thanks to Text Schedule, I've never missed an important text.
Wow. Thanks, text schedule. Thanks, text schedule!